We are going to see ELSS fund. For this fund is for tax saving purpose. ELSS means equity linked saving scheme. Whoever wanted to save tax for per year 1.5 lakhs, they can save in ELSS fund. This is three. This fund is having a 3-year lock-in period. You cannot withdraw in between. This is a very good scheme for whoever coming for a long-term basis. This fund will give you a very good return. Let me show you some what all things is in this fund. Let us move. See, first of all, this is this fund ELS. All ELSS fund having a 3-year lock-in period. You cannot withdraw in between. And other thing that this is the interest rate, whatever the return you are getting from the equity market, it is more than double or triple time. Also, you will get very good return. You will get other than FD or PPF, Public Provident Fund, and all. And there is no limit to invest. You can, whatever the amount you want, you can invest as long as you can hold for a 3-year period. Even you can start with 1,000 rupees per month, even SIP. But you should know that whatever the amount you are investing, for example, today the last month you invested for 1,000 rupees, and that 1,000 for SIP. For example, if you are investing in ELSS fund SIP, those fund each month is locking for 3 years. Not like all the SIP you are. It is not like the all together for 3 year lock-in period. Every SIP you do, all the funds are getting locked for 3 years. That is called ELSS scheme for lock-in period. You can do SIP and you can do lump sum. Whatever the option you want, you can choose for it. This is the best option for long-term wealth creation. And the return you are getting, definitely it will beat the inflation. I will show you in my next slide that which fund is giving better return. And I have chosen 5 top funds. This is the best fund in this category. This all fund I have taken a report like 5 years record from all the best fund category, and the asset fund is holding more than 1,000 crores. Uh, there is a tax now, they added into LTCG tax, which is from last March 31st it is started. It was introduced in the last budget. This is whatever the profit you are getting from the market, and if even though there is a limit for 1 lakh that you can reduce. For example, if your profit is like 5 lakhs, and you can reduce 1 lakh from those profit, and 4 lakhs multiply, that is a 10%. 4 lakhs is around 40,000 it will come. That's tax we have to pay to the government. That was introduced last budget. I have chosen top 5 fund, which is the first one is it is not like the which is the top one, but I just take it as it is, and I'm just giving to you. The first fund is L&T Tax Advantage Fund. This was launched in 2006, and all the things I have a 1-year return, 3-month return, 6-month return, 1-year return, 3-year return calculation, 5-year. These are the returns the fund was given past history. If you see this is the portfolio. This is the portfolio of this fund is where it is investing in giant or large cap category, stock category, and mid cap category, small cap category. All the details I have given. And you know that say I have chosen L&T tax advantage fund, and DSB BlackRock tax saver fund, and BOI AXA tax advantage fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life tax relief. This is a very good fund. I am having an investment in this fund. This is the excellent fund in this category. And even IDFC tax advantage fund. This fund also very good fund. This BOA AXA. This one is you just know this. That's why it is investing in the small cap is higher than all other funds. If you see this, none of the fund is investing in small cap more than 10%, but BOAXA only they are investing in 33% in investment. But the good thing is, with the recent market fall, if you see this fund is only fall for around now still it is around 4% only it is fallen. The other fund is holding the less amount of small cap stocks in their portfolio, but the fall is more than this BOAXA. See this second one I told, this Birla Sun Life tax relief. This fund also fallen very less. It is minus 2.89 only. Other fund is like a 5.87 and 5.86. But don't think that this fund is other funds are bad. This is a very good fund in this category. I have chosen the best for top 5 fund. And it's all given tremendous return. Just see this return, the 5-year return it has given. I have chosen some higher category which will show you the highlighted point. If you see 1 month category, this BOAXA advantage given 4.31, which is higher than the other all funds. And the next one is in the 3-month return category, the Birla Aditya Birla tax relief, which is the very lowest fall we saw if you compare with the other fund. Then the 6-month category, BOAXN. See this 1 month and the 6-month category, this fund is performed well if you compare with the other all fund. And the next fund is BOA Advantage Fund and the Tax Relief Fund. If for 1 year category, same again, BOA Tax Advantage Fund. See all this worth 1 month, 6 month and 1 year. This fund is given a very good return. The next fund is IDFC Tax Advantage. The third fund is Birla again. This all fund is this 3 fund is performed well against other 2, but still these funds also good fund to compare full ELS category. In 3-year tax LNT, you see when you are holding for a long period, now see this all fund is given 32, 17 and 20 and 25. If you see this 3-year return is over, it is reduced to 13%, 12%, because in between there is a market fall has come, then the fund will not perform for a 1 year period, and the second, third year if it is performed well, then the calculation will be CAGR calculation will be different than not with the one year calculation. So if you see the 3-year record, all the funds are given 12 around about 12.5%. In the 5-year category, see this Aditya Birla it is given 23.89. Another fund is IDFC Tax Advantage Fund, and the third fund is DSP Tax Saver Fund. If you see this HDFC Tax Advantage Fund, I am getting news. This fund is going to merge with some other mutual fund category, because they are going to sell this all mutual fund holding. You don't investor don't no need to panic, but this it will be merged with some other company, which will be like Reliance or Birla, like that. Some big companies taking care over this all the funds. See, in the 10-year category, I have only 2. One is L&T Tax Advantage Fund. It is given 14.66. For 10-year return, averagingly it is given. And the next one is Aditya Birla Tax Relief Fund. These are all the best fund category for tax saving purpose. Not only tax saving purpose, you can invest for a long-term perspective. These funds are given an excellent return. I have shown a data like 1 lakh is invested in all different fund in 2008, same April 3rd. Today the current value is equal to 3.22, 3 lakhs and 22,000. If you see this BOE AXA tax advantage, this one has grown to 6 lakhs because it has a lot of small caps in their portfolio. That is the reason it given excellent return. See this 5 lakh is a profit. 1 lakh invested in 1 lakh invested in 2009 March, because this fund was launched later. To if you see, the other funds are already 1 year before we invested. Those times where Indian market was crashed. 2009 the market was getting up a little bit more. It was start giving profit. Then this fund was launched. Then that time, so the fund is given 1 lakh to 6 lakhs total, 6 lakhs current value, and 5 lakhs is a profit. And the other fund is IDFC tax advantage fund. See, this fund also invested 1 lakh, and the value is around 6 lakhs now. And the profit is 4 lakh 79,000, almost 4 lakhs 80,000. The other one is LNT Advantage Fund. This fund is 1 lakh invested 2009. Now the fund value is around 3 lakhs and 75,000. The profit is given 2 lakhs 75,000. It's all excellent fund. See, it might given a little bit lesser than other funds, but these 5 funds are top fund. You can definitely, you can hopefully you can go for this guy. You can choose any one of this fund and start investing. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you very much for watching. And please keep visiting my page, and visit. You can see all other videos. I have a lot of very good tools, how to check with the other tools to check mutual fund overlapping, and direct fund investment versus regular fund category, and the best mid cap fund, and best balance fund, the best small cap fund. All type of fund is I added already. But this fund, the ELS fund, I was not taken a call before, so now I wanted to complete this ELSS fund category also. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please share with your friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care. Bye bye.